In this video, we're going to talk about your social selling index. Now, what is that? Social selling index, if you Google your SSI score or SSI LinkedIn score, you will find a page like this. And it is a free summary score which gives you an indication on how you're tracking on certain metrics. So if you're logged into your profile, you'll click into here and you'll be able to get a number. And this number gives you an indication on how you are performing. So for example, your social selling index. So industry SSI rank for me is 1%. For my network, and I'm part of a very active network, I'm in the top 5%. So they're a little bit more active than me, but that's fine. And my score gives me a 72 out of 100. Now you'll probably find that yours might be down near the 40s or 30s, depending on how active you are. However, 4 components of the score. We've got establish a professional brand, and if you hover over and click the button or the question mark, so completing a profile with the customer in mind, being a thought leader, publishing meaningful posts, finding the right people, identify better prospects in less time, connecting with the right with search and research tools. Now, I do believe that score may be biased with the fact that if you're not using Sales Navigator, you probably won't get the same points. However, I am on the free plan. There is absolutely no need to go to Premium or Sales Navigator. So here I'm going to click on Engage with Insights, and that is discover and share new conversation-worthy updates. And then building relationships, which I'm quite good at. So strengthening your network by finding, establishing trust with decision makers. And then if you have a look down the bottom, you can compare yourself to different people in the industry. So you can see your rank, and then you can see people in your network. So this is not updated very quickly. So it's recommended that you try and make a change in the way you're doing things, wait for a week or two, and then see how your score is affected, rather than trying to send a post, check the score, send a post, check the score, because it's not really going to be affected on a granular way. Okay, so that is the social selling index. Thank you.